And this is what the sorrel plant looks like. As you can see, we have some young one right here. When we know when they're ready for harvesting, it's a dark red color. Like if you look over there, you could see some over there. A dark red. But yes, guys, this is my little garden right here in the front, especially for my sorrel. In the back, I have other stuff. Welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna make a Jamaican classic sorrel punch with a kick. But if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, tap that notification bell to be notified. As soon as there's more recipes available, go ahead and do that right now. Here is all the ingredients that I need for this punch. Ginger, granulated sugar, handful of uncooked rice, and of course, this is my sorrel. And as you see right here, guys, these are freshly picked from my plant out front. Optional for added kick, your red label wine, your Jamaican White Rum. Let me go wash my hands so we can get started. So the sorrel, it carries a seed inside of it. So right now my dad invented this little plucker. So I'm gonna show you guys how you don't have to do this. You don't have to go and, this is like the sprout of the umbrella. So just push it. So he sticks it right here. Like so. And just, oops, look at that. This is the seed. So usually we dry it. We open it, inside there are little tiny, tiny seeds, and we replant this. Freshly picked. And do you know, guys, that the sorrel has so much health benefits? This actually, they said it's actually good for pain. While my water is on the stove boiling, let's go ahead and add your sorrel to your container. So you're gonna grate your ginger. You can either grate it or you can just smush it. Smush it out and put it in there. Smash it up. So I wash my ginger. So you wash your ginger really good. And you can actually do it with the skin, because I'm doing it with the skin on. Man, this grater here, it's not sharp at all. And guys, when you go into the store to get your sorrel, it won't have any seed on it or in it. And they also sell them dry. But when you're a farmer girl like me and my family, and we pick it from the tree or from the plant, it have everything where you can take off the seed, the skin, and everything. We have to take it out. So you're just gonna put this in your container, but I'm gonna leave this little piece and I'm gonna just smush it so you guys can see what I mean. So if you choose to not grate your ginger and you choose to go this route where you're gonna smush it, you're gonna smush it out, this is what you do. So you use a bottle, and yeah, of course, you know, you wash the bottom of it, make sure it's clean. your handful of rice. And you know it's an uncooked rice. Handful. Can you hear my kettle of water boiling? So I'm ready to add it. Hot boiling water. And it all depends on how much sorrel you have. You know, if you have a lot, you know, you wouldn't only do 1 kettle of water. You would probably do 1.5 or 2. So it all depends. So put your lid on and you're gonna let this sit for overnight because it needs to, you know what we would say? It needs to. So we're gonna let this sit overnight because we need it to draw. This is what it looks like after sitting overnight. Go ahead and strain. Wow. Wow, look how red and nice this is. Woo. And it's not weak, meaning it's not full of water. I didn't use a lot of water. It was just a right amount of water for the amount of sorrel that I have. Look at this, guys. Ready to add my Jamaican red label wine. So I have one here which is unfinished. I'm just gonna finish it up. Don't forget, guys, I always have the measurements in the description box below. And as I said, this part of adding the wine and the rum is optional. You can also do it with only ginger and the sugar. And this red label wine is the same wine we use when we're doing our fruit cake, but that's another video. Your white rum. Your granulated sugar, add to taste. And you want to use the granulated sugar, which is the white cane sugar. You don't want to use the brown sugar. I usually love to use my white sugar. Okay, guys, my punch is ready. My punch done. My punch done. Look on it, guys. Let me take a glass. And you know this punch here, it's best to drink it when it's chill. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of ice cube in it. But guys, look at it. Oh my gosh. This punch is so good. You guys have to try this. Have to try it. All I need now is a piece of Jamaican pudding or piece of fruit cake. Can't get enough. Wait a minute, hold up. Let me go get a piece of pudding and come right back. I'm back. Guys, check this out. Neck back. It's shot. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so good. But catch you in the next video. Bye. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.